on 0772 SG is on standby. Manwe, let's go in.
Hi KVG, hi Saki, hi 326 Express. I'll take it again. Asingeneni go hot topic yeti ya namhlanje lalelani. I am a lady aged 48 years writing to you with my hot topic. Many years ago, I was married to my husband. We had 2 kids, my firstborn son and Gotwerangu Mskana. Life was hard. I was in an abusive marriage. My husband airova ladies. Zvokuti my son akasvika pakuti mama ngatitizei pamba when he was only 16 years old. Ndairowa ndomboenda kumba kwedu, but he would come back achikumbira ruregerero ndodzokera. So one evening ndakabika sadza nemuriwo nedovi. Nyama yange yapera ndikakanganwa kutaura. When my husband came, I woke up to serve him and he was not happy kuona sadza nemuriwo usina nyama. Ndakarowa KVG and Saki. Zvakamutsa my neighbors. The more yandairidza mhere, the more he would continue to hit me. So ndakapedzisira ndakungogomera kuti andisiye, but he didn't stop. That's when my son woke up kuzobata baba and they fought. Akarova mwana kusvika nzeve yabuda ropa. Akazobatwa nema neighbors, but it was too late. My son anonzwa nenzeve 1 kutaura kuno. The morning yaakabuda kuenda kubasa, my son begged me to leave and I refused. Akangobuda masikati and never came back. My husband later died, but he never came back to look for me or how I am doing. I discovered recently through my daughter kuti he was visiting my sister with his wife and 2 kids and is now staying in Dubai. I didn't know kuti akarora ini. I spoke to my sister, akanditi, he begged me not to say anything. Kana ndimi wedari, my blood sister. Aiye ndiye anotumirwa zvese, mari, groceries. Ini nyakubereka ndiripo. Mosha yangu ndeyei. If it's about baba vavo, I couldn't leave their father. Ndaimuda and hoped he would change. I asked her to connect me to my son. Still, anoramba, zviri normal here. I haven't seen my son in years, Vedue. I need to hear your thoughts on Nawe. Please help. Here is hot topic yetu namhlanje.
Wow. Oh, thank you so much, SG. Yeah. Pakaipa panenyaya. Vedare ndona yati nayo nasi tishanzwa kwamuri kuti panofambiswa sei. 0772162651. Okay, tivure nare. Our hot topic for today, powered by our friends from Old Mutual, and we say do great things every day. Hello, hi.
Hello, KVG.
Hi, Maswera Saibabong.
Maswera, I'm a first time caller.
We appreciate that. Thank you so much.
Okay. So this lady, what topic Nyoraka? Inini I deeply resonate with this son. And number 1, in Rudakutaura, she shouldn't make this about herself. Inini growing up in Dakakura and in a similar relationship, which my parents and and I would try to encourage my mom, which Mama Shana Inazo. As a child, Dakakurira in such a relationship, it was my parents and for me, it was quite fortunate that my parents wangu wakazongosiya nawo zavo at a later stage in life, and ndakakwanisa kucontinue kuenderera mberi life nema parents wangu, but otherwise ndapanga pasina zvozvo I was going to be one of those sons vangu vachaita disappear. The thing about us is we do not choose what kind of parents do we get in this life. Saka tikaonawo zvinhu zvinoti traumatize tichiona vamwe kunext door kana tatienda navo kuchikoro vachirarama boka nenge tichitotyisa unenge uchida kungoitawo move on nelife yako.
Saka panoitwa sei, because years later the father is late, that's what we hear. But mwana akakwanisa kuconnecta na I think kana vari mai guru kana kuti mai nini, but ndisisi vamai asi vake mai haachatodi kutaura navo. Sisiwo vanoti ini ndakanzi ndisakupei nhamba musazive anything about kurarama kwaari kuita nemudzimai wake nemhuri. Panofambiswa sei apa baba wangu? Tingati isituation yakanaka here?
For me zvangu coming from ndichizvisa mubhutsu dzemukomana uyu ka deeply resonate naye because kazotarisa izvi so ari kutorarama aritori neurema hwangadai hwakaavoideka. Right now mwana uyu ane bitterness, and what I think this lady has to do is at least patombowanika link rekuti anokwanisa kuaccessa mwana wake through that same mainini vari kutaura navo vanokwanisa kungonegotiata kana kuti wokumbira mainini kuti vachitaura nemukomana, because zviri zvechokwadi chasiyazvo mukomana uyu aritori nebitterness. Ilife yakachuzwa naamai ndo vakamisa in that position. She had her own reasons for staying in that relationship, but as a child unenge usingazvinzwisise. Saka I think ndo vanhu vanofanira kutokumbira kuti vototaura nawo kuti maybe if possible I think it's one of those scenarios dzekuti vabereki sometimes, to be honest, they owe vana ma-apologies in as much as society yedu ichitaura zvinhu zvakasiyana-siyana about it.
Yes.
But I feel like this lady anofanira kutozvininipisa kumwana wake otomukumbira regerero omutsanangurirawo her standpoint, because mwana uyu haana chaaiziva, aitongokurawo and he just didn't get why ari in such an environment.
Oh, wow. A first time, indeed, a first time caller. You are coming through to share your experience. Maita basa baba wangu nekuti dzimwe nguva nyaya idzi dzinoita kunge dziri kure from reality kana tichidziverenga tichidzitaurawo kune vanenge vanyora, but tinokutendai necourage yekukwanisa kuuyawo pamhepo muchisharewo experience yamakasangana nayo growing up in an abusive setting yavabereki vairovana. But ndinoda kutenda kuti pari zvino imimi makakwanisawo kudhila netrauma iyoyo here. Now that you're an adult, I would like to believe mane mhuri yenyuwo.
To be honest, trauma iyoyo handisati ndatombogona kudhila nayo. Even up to now handisati ndagona kana kupinda murelationship. Sometimes we find one are serious now, but maflashbacks ezvinhu izvozvo up to now ndiri kutoedza kutostruggle kushayiwa kuti ndoita zvekuita sei, because I see at this ndakasvika papoint yekuti I no longer believed in marriages. Ndaitongoti marriage is a scam, and zviri kutondishungurudza kuti ndiwane kupinda murelationship. But step by step I believe kuti we're slowly getting there, nekuramba ndichintaracta nevabereki vangu vari separated kudaro, ukaenda paunonoonawo mdzara umbonoonawo monzi uchiita sei. We are trying to build something nekuita sei, but honestly speaking I feel for this guy, Amanda.
Thank you so much, my good sir. And if you're willing, you can send me your number on our WhatsApp platform. We do have Christian counselors vanotibata that are willing to help. Sitinenge tichida kutanga tawana mvumo kubva kwamuri kana muchititendera. So you can always connect with us on our WhatsApp platform. Thank you so much for calling our first time caller.
Thanks a lot, KCG.
We appreciate that. Yeah, this is heartbreaking, man. 0772162651. Sometimes atinzwisise kuti abuse inodyara imwe hatred ne bitterness yekuti imagine he's saying kuti now ndamurume mukuru but kupinda murelationship chaiko, settling down kupinda marriage ndinototya.
And because also I think the fear comes kuti pakuti I might abuse mwana wevanhu ndozopedzera ndaita hasha ndikarova mwana wevanhu, and I totally get him. And it's such a sad situation, because also while I understand kuti mwana uyu moved away akaenda, I think also just seeing and hearing some stories from women who have been abused, who have been in these situations, sometimes tinogona kuti takavaudza kuti ngavasiye musha iwowo, togara tichivaudza kuti siyai. It sounds very easy saying that, but to the person who is in there,
come on,
to the person who's getting beaten, manipulated, who's getting lied to, who's receiving all these threats, it's a whole different story. They see the world differently in that space. And sadly, Amaya chose her marriage, and mwana uyu akachoose whole life yake. But I don't really think kuti apana hope yekuti vazokwanisa kuwanana, because I think this woman zvaari kutsvaga ndezvekuti angowana nguva yekuti ataure chete nemwana wake. So I don't know if she can, if maybe social media isati yabatsira kuti maybe can look him up and try to find him, or
I'm
use
sure
the
she
sister.
can, but I think what she needs is that connection and communication, because I can look them up on social media and don't know my picture nemhuri nechi, but is it enough? I think what she needs is from mwana uyo akangotiza pamba angoti enough is enough of what I'm experiencing. akangoenda, and you can imagine hapana kutaura, hapana kuita sei, mozongonzgonza mwana tungonzwa kuti ari kugara kwakati, you don't have access.
Right.
And recently you then discover kuti ari kutotaura nemunin'ina wako kana nemukoma wako. Ipapo
And
pakaoma.
mukomana uyu tariso case yake haasi kutonzwa imwe nzeve.
Yes.
And he managed to create a life for himself. So I think also kuona amai vake, it reminds him of that painful past that yakaenda through. So even mwana iye kana asina kukwanisa kuwana rubatsiro, it means kuti vayanane na amai, it might be very difficult because there's a lot
That's
of blame
true.
shifting.
That's
This
true.
child is also blaming the mom kuti
Why
"Ndilima."
did you stay?
Exactly. I kept
Yeah.
telling you leave.
Yes.
Leave.
Yes.
So yeah.
Starring Famelo.
I can be Jensaki.
How are you, my boss? Maswera Zvakanaka.
Yeah, it's very sad. But I think the sad thing about our society nowadays is anasekuru, anatete, anani, wakuita wachita shoma.
Yes.
People need to normalize going kunana sekuru, when it air out, vent out, anasekuru wana kuyananisa nekugadzirisa. It's unfortunate kuti amai vangu vari situation yavangu vari. Maybe she was financially incapacitated.
Yes.
Maybe that's why she stayed in marriage.
Yes, she had her own reasons.
Yes, pamwe ane zvimwe zvakawanda zvavaivharidzira kuti pamwe dai vakasiyana nababa vavo vana vaigona kutorwa futi nababa vavo votozoita waste life yavo than maybe zvaakazosangana nazvo. But for him, he should find time ogara pasi namama. Nyaya dzavabereki hadzipindirwe, ndozvinhu zvandakadzidza. But you need to find time navo vese. Try to have an open mind. Try to understand why they behave that way. Muita reconciliation because zvakatadzika, but now they all need to move forward.
Thank you so much for that contribution, Starring Famelo. 0772162651. Our hot topic for today, powered by our friends from Old Mutual. And we say do great things every day. And I'd like to believe that what we are doing today, we are actually doing a great thing. Nekuti kune vanenge vakato rely on our advice, change edzo neyambiro yatinenge tichivapa so that vawano kugadzirisa situations avanenge vachitadza kuhandla on their own. Let's find out who's on line 2, Starring Famelo.
Hello, hi, KBG.
Hi, how are you? Maswera. Yeah.
I would like to firstly agree na first caller. Yeah, Taura, Zinoanika Mugumbo. I actually grew up in the same situation. Zvinhu zvinonetsa kuti mwana atambire kuti amai vake ane mareasons avari kugarira.
Yes.
Because tentatively we don't understand these things. But as you grow up, and a point in time will come when you kind of understand. Because vanogarira financially mostly. If I look at my personal experience, vanogarira kuti ndinozokuendese kuchikoro nei ndikasiya murume uyu. So amai vanyora whole topic, what she needs to do is understand firstly kuti kune mwana wavo itori trauma. Mwana vachitongoaona akuona that trauma iyoyo yekurohwa ikoko handitika. So she needs to go back kune mwana wavo very apologetic, not very very kuti ndipita groceries.
Yes.
Go back very apologetic.
Almost like vari kuchiva life iri kupiwa munin'ina kana mukoma uyu sisi vataurwa. Okay.
Exactly. She needs to go back there kutoona kuti mwana wangu sorry nezvakaitika.
Okay.
Sorry nenzeve yako zvakaitika. I couldn't leave. Whatever my reasons avo handitika. Listen, see about it. Mwana wangu come back mbichana aku-understandawo mareasons avo. Because right now mwana wari ungofunga kuti amai vaingoda kugara nemurume wavo vachirohwa. Haanyatsomutswitisa what happened. So she needs to go back there, that apologetic, vachiapproach neway kuti vada kudya mari yaanayo. Way yekuti mwana wangu sorry ndaakanganisa ndaida murume wangu but I didn't understand kuti ndinokanganisa to this extent. That is the only way. If she doesn't do that, she stands to lose mwana wavo nemuzukuru wavo forever. Otherwise, it's messed up. Also as parents, I think as parents we need to fix that up. Kuti kanganisa namzimba, let's do it away from the children. Trauma yachona
yakaoma. Yes.
You can't deal with it. Now I'm grown up, I have my own family, but ndakanzwa chinoti mukwembere mando ndakarara
ndinovhunduka.
So it doesn't really go away. So as parents, we need to do better. We need to do better.
Oh, Thank you so much, my brother, for calling in and for sharing your story there. Yeah, today it's a tough one, because now we're getting a lot of callers that have gone through the same situation, and I think this is just a sad reality. Chinenge chinzi chakafukidza dzimba matenga asi tiri kuona matenga aya asimudzwa, tiri kuona kuti mukugarisana uku vabereki vedu vari kurovana, vari kuita sei, asi tinenge tisingazive kuti vana vari kuona, vana vari kukanganisika. Imwe generation iyoyo ichatakura maronda yawo ende zvichatidzosera kumashure senyika. You know, I dream of a Zimbabwe, I dream of a world where women and children are safe from men. Because hatingataure isusu kuti ndibaba vasvika pakurova amai. Varova amai, mwana unoti zviri kuitwa nababa hazvisiri izvo. Baba votora futi amai vomurova. Kwete kumurova nebhandi, vomurova nemaoko kusvikira nzeve yableeda, kusvikira zvanzi mwana watiri kutaura nezvake uyu haachatonzwi nzeve 1. Amen. Vedare nditsanangurirei kuti panenge pakamira sei ipapo. It's sad, man. Story family.
Hi, Kevin G.
Hi, Masura Saidi.
Hi, this topic, I'm so emotional.
I'm also trying to keep myself together. It's a tough one.
I also went through the same thing. To the point where mama wanotorepwa muripo, you know.
Usadaro.
So I didn't have a relationship with my father. I hated him. And sorry, I don't want to cry. But you know, this lady, she should not have an entitlement. You know, because one, she said to mwana akabuda and she make an effort to look for him. Kuti ari kugara kupi. Kuti azosvika kuti aenda ku Dubai and all that. Who made it happen kune mwana uyu? No. So she should humble herself right now because the child needed his support. Because the social business protect vana vedu at the end of the day.
Yeah.
So it might be that maybe she didn't have any financial support, but she was there. She was supposed to protect her children. So this boy is bitter. That's one. So I would suggest, like Shataro, my callers, anana sekuru or vanenge varipo to intervene to help. Because when I know that help, because the minute I think I go to my mom and they get which is the mother is supposed to be the guardian angel of their children.
Yeah.
So she should just humble yourself, not even be bitter with Dinamai and school and my groceries and sweet. I say that made me so angry. Exactly. So I'm a first-time caller.
Oh, thank you so much, dear. Thank you so much for calling, and
all right, thank you.
Love and lights to you for everything that you went through. And I'm hoping that, you
will have time, but that bitterness doesn't go away.
I hear you.
I think I'm a parent, but you know the way you look after your mother and the way you father
Zakasiana.
Yeah, exactly. All right, thank you.
All right. My love goes to you. Thank you so much, dear.
All right, thanks.
All right, sounding good all the time. We are Star FM. Our friends from Old Mutual are the proud sponsors of our hot topic for today. Stay with us. We will be back shortly after this.
Power outages shouldn't stop your business or disrupt your home. At PowerMac, a division of Zimplow Holdings, we provide reliable backup generators, solar power systems, and professional electrical contracting services to keep you powered when it matters most. From expert design and installation to dependable maintenance and after-sales support, we are your trusted power partner across Zimbabwe. Call 0787 801573 or visit number 10 Harrow Road, Masasa. PowerMac, power that delivers.
So delicious, so nutritious. Introducing Unity Super Refined Mealie Meal.
Cooking for family, Unity Super Refined Mealie Meal. Cooking for friends, Unity Super Refined Mealy Meal. Throwing a party? Super Refined Mealy Meal, of course. Soft, delicious, nutritious.
When the food melts in my mouth, so does my heart. This mealy meal makes the softest, tastiest salsa. Now that's Unity.
Made from premium grade 1 white maize in an ultra-modern blend, enriched with essential vitamins and minerals. Unity Super Refined Mealy Meal.
So soft, so delicious, so nutritious.
Feel good technology. Feel good technology. When your business has to stay online. When every second counts every time. You need solutions that are proven and true. Smart, affordable innovation built for you. Reliable system, secure by design. Lowering costs while raising the line. Through every challenge, every climb, we stand committed. Now and over time. Peace of mind. That's what we deliver. Peace of mind. That's what we deliver. Peace of mind.
Nandi Mutandi, Africa's digital resilience partner.
That's what we deliver.
You know it's a lot of traffic out here. Stop the traffic, like, hold up.
In your car, in the combi, taking you home. 3 to 6 Express on Star FM. Sounding good all the time.
No, 3 to 6. This is very sensitive. Firstly, I'd like to say, I think, ichatombode kuti vaapproach munun'una wavo ngavachitotaure nemaelders like her parents, vanagogo, vanasekuru, vatry kutaura nemwana one. 2, I think ladies tiri kudzidza something kuti yes, as far as we want marriage is not everything. Let's consider our lives first. Let's consider life yevana vedu, guys. Una situation yaane vana nezvinhu zvisina basa, unogona kutomusiya ukawana mumwe ari better. Guys, mwoyo wangu warwadziwa. It's so painful. It's okay.
Oh dear. We are Star FM, sounding good all the time, and this conversation, our hot topic, is powered by Old Mutual, reminding you that small steps today can build a strong financial future. A bank, insure and invest with Old Mutual. Another day, another opportunity to build your legacy. And a big thanks to Old Mutual for riding with us on our hot topic today. Now remember, you can bank, insure and invest with Old Mutual from the comfort of your home by simply dialing *227#, or you can send a WhatsApp on 0777 227 227. You know, planning ahead makes life easier, and that's why Old Mutual encourages all of us to save consistently, even if it's just a little at a time. You can bank, you can insure and invest with Old Mutual. You simply dial *227#, or the WhatsApp platform again at 0777 227 227. They say big dreams need solid plans, so you can talk to the Old Mutual team about solutions that help you protect and grow your money. To bank, insure, invest with our Old Mutual plan. So remember, the tip of the day, don't wait for a crisis to think about insurance. Just think Old Mutual and you will be good to go. Don't forget to visit www.oldmutual.co.zw to find out more information. We are Star FM, sounding good all the time. Thank you for making time. From KVG and Saki G, that's it for today.
You've been listening